do you think of that?
That's not too noisy.
Okay, look, Nick, turn around. Right.
We win!
Santa! Mommy?
Here's the chicken. Come watch the chicken.
Huh?
Watch
Tape end soon.
Sit.
You're saying that doesn't mean anything.
I've been saying that for 2 months now.
Okay.
Blow on your pump. There you go. Before you go out there, make sure your punk's hot by blowing it.
Professional. It's gonna poop a bunch of eggs.
What? Mommy, we're Santa.
Do you want me to get your earpieces?
No.
What do you think, Rach?
Professional at work.
Superstar. Be careful, that is fire. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.